I'm in the Titan for our first little, like, normal drive log with the man. Y'all hear it? Oh, you using select shift?
No, it's
Oh, okay. Knobs look pretty good.
Yeah, that lamp is right where we want it to be too. But you can tell people whatever it is.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, the master mechanic Danny does make sure you do not leave his shop dirty.
Yep.
Period.
Every time.
Every time. See, that's A1 service. I know you seen my damn. I dropped the what's the name on your Google, on your reviews.
Oh, the review?
Yeah, cause you know I'm damn. What the hell am I? I'm one of them Google people that goddamn everybody look up to. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with another video. I told you guys that the next time you see me, I was gonna get the Kenne Bell tune. I'm with the Sauce Man Chase Power Lab. There he is. Bam. He's over there looking over everything, making sure parameters are met. When we was out, right now we're working on the 93, but y'all already know I want the sauce, so that's E85. I got two Stinger Performance HP E85 5-gallon pills in the car. So we're gonna drain the tank and we'll put those in. But right now he's finalizing the 10-pound pulley 93 tune, and we're going to go 12 pounds. So I want to do 12 pounds full E85. That's what we're going to be working on. I'm going to bring it to you guys. We about to make some power. We about to make people out here real sad. I'm telling you, I got to get the Gapstone for the Infinity Gauntlet. So stay tuned. We'll go down some and then we're gonna do the transmission pulls.
Taylor and drive again.
Yeah. Yep. Real world tuning, y'all. Real world tuning, not on the dyno. We up against gravity, forces of the wind, nature and all. The Titan is coming. The Titan is coming, y'all. We with Sauce Man Chase. He got his buddy old pal right here sitting in his lap. All right, wide open hit. Yes, sir. I see you, Dad.
He looking.
Yeah, you looking. Ooh, them Mickey Thompsons, huh?
Ooh, you smell him.
Oh, yeah, you smell them.
You got it. Red light again.
Okay.
Fucking red light must be like they're coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, that fucking red
Oh,
light
yeah, you feel the dirt sticking on the top?
I'm pretty sure we were hazing almost that whole time. Like we just kind of.
Yeah, but it's stuck straight, just like we were.
That's good drone driving.
All right, y'all. Well, we're finna get ready to mess with the E85. Yes, sir. On the 12-pound pulley. Stay tuned. Got through finished draining the 93 octane out of the car. Unfortunately, we cannot change the pulley from the 10-pound to the 12-pound. I didn't get no extra supercharger oil just in case oil comes out from behind the seal rings. That's what it was saying in the Kenne bill instructions, and therefore we're just gonna go on and use E85 on the 10-pound pulley. Here is the E85 that I use right here. They are in-house brand. Matter of fact, they're located in Fayetteville. This is some good stuff. I ran it in A, and it held me down in the Atlanta streets. So while the man is working his magic, the science behind the madness behind the math, all of that, I was draining the fuel and adding fuel to get this bad boy ready to make some real power. Y'all hold tight, man, cause you know what's coming. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Damn, how many pounds was that? Shit. That felt too good. Yeah, that was my car. Shit.
Hey, I'm gonna let you enjoy yourself. I'm something later.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we finna get ready to do an auto shift. That felt real good. What you think? Okay, that felt real good. I felt that in my chest. Alright, so I'll catch you. I felt it kind of get a little.
Oh yeah, she got.
Yeah. Yeah, the Mad Titan is ready on the base 10-pound pulley. I'm gonna order some more supercharger oil. We gotta put that 12-pound on there. We ain't gonna be playing around, man. The Mad Titan ain't playing around. You got the Infinity Gauntlet. Yes, sir. Oh, got the advanced track. All this just done popped on. What done happened? Well, let's see. It must have spunked out. It should drive away, I'm assuming.
Yeah, the advanced track stuff.
Yeah. Like if I was on the dyno.
Yeah, it should go away.
Yeah. Well, y'all stay tuned now. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's gone away.